Hey everyone, it's Lisa. Welcome back to our channel. So I'm currently recording this 50 minutes before this video is going live, so I'm going to be doing this really quick, but I wanted to share with you this week's $2 Tuesday collection. So this is the lace collection that we released, I want to say last year, at the end of the year. So I figured it would be a good time to bring it back. This collection matches really well with our Bridgerton kit, as well as we have a tea time weekly kit, so I thought these would be perfect. But also you guys loved the lace collection, so I figured if you wanted to restock on some of the items, now would be the time. So we have 4 foil colors. We have our classic 3, which is gold, silver, rose gold. And then we also have this as our fun foil. It's a really pretty light pink. That is what I'll be showing you guys in this video. Let's go ahead and get into the flip through. So first up, we have our Swirl Dividers. And I realized that these two are both named Swirl Dividers, so I'm pretty sure this one is number 2, and then this one is Swirl Divider 1. Next, we have these really cute mini bow dividers. We also have them in a larger size. Then we have a few different lace washi strips. So this one is number 4. We have number 3, which this one is a little bit thinner. I really love the flowers in the lace. I think it's super pretty. And then here is lace number 2. This one, I believe, was the most popular out of the 4 of them. And then here is lace 1. This one looks more like a ribbon. Then we have some lace trims. I love how detailed these are. They're really pretty. And I feel like these are really pretty layered with some boxes. Next we have a couple of mandalas. So this one is mandala number 2. And then this one's super pretty. This one is the mandala 1. Kind of just looks like a lace doily, which is so cute. And then we have a couple of different headers. This one is just a plain lace header. And then we have the ribbon one as the second option. Then we have a couple of date dots. This one I somehow managed to forget to design 29 through 31. So the sheet only comes with 1 through 28, just as a heads up. But this one I didn't forget. These are the lace date dots. And so we have 1 through 31. Here's a little close up of just how detailed these are. Next we have some lace borders. Again, so much detail in this collection. Here's another lace border. Then we have these heart swirl dividers. And then these are the 2 bow dividers that is also available as mini versions. And then last but not least, we have a set of lace full boxes. And that is the entire lace collection. So I won't be doing a demo in this video, but I think I will be sharing one as a Reels or in IG story. So definitely, if you want to see these all demoed out, check out our Instagram. But other than that, I hope you guys have a great Tuesday, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!